All right. So these are the numbers what you need to know. Now, average price 469, and where's the? We already knew the average days on market was.
I think it said 4.
4. Yeah, here it is. This is in Lawrenceville. So 4 days. Where's the bottom? All right. 469. 4 days on the market. They're selling over market price. Now, you know, if you have a client, should they be prepared to pay over asking?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have the data to show them before you take them out to a home?
Yes.
Could you show them this during your VIP buyer meeting
Yes.
to prepare their brain? So now, now you know you have a buyer that wants to buy 475,000 and only has 100% of the money. Is this a viable buyer?
No.
So where do they go in your pecking order? Top or the bottom?
Bottom.
Call me back, Miss Smith, when you get whatever 6% of 469 is. Let's just go 475 times 0.06. When you get another $28,500, holla, I'm going to the next client. Y'all want to take these people out and deal all night with them.
Yeah.
In your VIP buyer meeting, when they say, when you guys get to your last sheet, if you're using our system and they tell you what they want, Lawrenceville, and it took us 90 seconds to run this, guys. 90 seconds, right? Okay, great. Let's see what's happening over there, Ms. Smith. Oh, okay, 469 is if the average house is selling for between 375 and 600. 4 days on the market. So we got to act quick. If you see something you love, we got to write a contract on it today. You cannot be expecting to pay what they're asking. 6% of the house that you like is another 28.5. So you need your down payment. FHA is around these prices, 3.5%. You need your closing costs, 3.5%. And you need another 6% to be 6.08% to be able to get for the overage, and it's probably going to be short another 1% because I got to get paid because they only going to offer 3%. You need 14.08% to buy your house times 475,000. You need $66,880. Now let me ask you a question. My goal is to get you a house for the least amount of money, but if you need it in the next 60 to 90 days from your mother, father, sister, uncle, Pookie, drug dealers, whoever else. How much do you have? Oh, I got 40,000. Well, to buy this house, you're gonna need about $66,880. Where are you gonna get the other 27,000 from? Do you have a family member that's willing to do it alone? Nope, just me. What about your 401k? Nope, I don't have 401k. Okay. So now you have $40,000. Y'all follow me? I gotta show you.
Yes.
I start doing math, real estate agents start tweaking. Right. You only got $40,000, Miss McGillicuddy. Got that from my cousin. He lives in the Midwest. $40,000, and we just broke it down. Let me start over. They need 3.5% down for FHA under 471,000. Their closing costs, I don't care what y'all say, is not 3%. I didn't add up too many of them. So 3.43%, 3.5%. 7. Your deficiency, because you're going to want to get paid at least 3.5%. Most of these agents are offering 2.5%. They're going to need another 1%. We cover your deficiency. They're at 8. And now you just saw that people are paying 106% over. So they need another 6%. They need 14% on any house that they buy. Y'all got this.
Yeah.